Hi there, Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. I got a 2021 Ram 1500. Look at this bad boy. Black rims, nice black running boards, privacy glass around the back of it, crew cab, power sliding rear glass, tow hitch, dual exhaust, backup camera. Nice easy letdown. You got bed liner in here, nice and clean. Four-wheel drive, V8, 5.7 liter, Hemi, Ram power. One owner, clean auto check. It's all set up, ready to go, and you got factory warranty left on it. Nice. Nice dark gray cloth seats. You got nice all-weather mats that go with the vehicle. Nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, satellite backup camera. You can Apple Play, Android Auto, heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual automatic climate control, cup holders, USB plug-ins, tow button, terrain select, cruise control, gear limit, and radio controls, and Bluetooth on the steering wheel. Power windows, door locks, mirrors, nice analog gauges. Nice truck, but it's missing something. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.